Good evening, everybody. A pious and always considered himself a Brahmin, even though he belonged to a Damon family. Today, October Hackathon book review number 29 from Meena TLC Chennai. The title of the book is Vibhishana. And it is written by T.N. Saraswati. Vibhishana was against kidnapping Sita by Ravana. He advised Ravana so many times, but Ravana never bothered to listen to his words. He neglected him, he abused him. Even then also Vishnu kept quiet. And at last Vibhishana decided to leave the kingdom Lanka and join with Rama. Before leaving Lanka, he called his daughter Trijata and advised to take care of Sita in the Ashoka Vatika. He said, till Rama comes to take away Sita from here, till that time we have to take care of Sita. Only herself and her mother knows that Vibhishana is going to join with Rama. So he, along with two of his royal and loyal demons and with his mace, met Rama. By seeing the mace in his hand, Rama just decided that for what reason Vibhishana has taken birth in the world. So whenever a bad thing happens or bad thing to be eradicated from the country, so some good things will happen. Like that, adharma is won by dharma, and Lord Mahavishnu has taken many avatars. That is why Rama realized that time that he has a part of Lord Vishnu. It means he is a part of Rama himself. So seeing the mace, so he decided that, and he agreed Vibhishana to be with him. And Vibhishana has a pure heart, and he was an ardent devotee of Vishnu. And maximum time he spends in meditation. So that with the pure heart and a helping mentality, he could develop a good character, and everybody praised him that time. And all his brothers were demons. They were doing bad things only. Out of that, Vibhishana was the best person in Lanka. When he met Rama, and he said, Raghava, I have a great plain by name Pushpaka. It was Kubera's property. Once Ravana defeated him and took it away from him. Now it is with me. It flies at will. It is divine and sacred. I have been guarding it just for your sake. It is ready for your journey to Ayodhya. You can board it and travel without worry. I would like to honor you. Please accept the honor and then leave for Ayodhya. Vibhishana prayed Rama. Vibhishana, do not be angry with me. My heart is carving to see Bharata. I have completed my task. Therefore, send us back as early as possible. Get the plane here immediately, said Rama. In a trice, the plane was bought, and Vibhishana told Sri Rama that the plane, which could travel at the speed of mind, was ready for him. He sought from Sri Rama further orders. Vibhishana, the Vanar army has fought valiantly for our victory. Please honor it. It will be equal to honoring me, said Sri Rama. So Vibhishana also listened to his advice, and he didn't like that. So, because he has got a pure heart. Then Rama went along with Sita and in the Pushpaka chariot, and he reached Ayodhya and met Bharata. And this book is really worth reading because a lot of good mannerism and good ideas and about the person's behavioral attitudes, everything we can see in a glance from Vibhishana's book. So, good people all over the world recognize Vibhishana as a infinitely good person and class him along with all-time great devotees like Prahlada, Narada, Vyasa and others. So dear friends, please try to read the book and get good knowledge about the good qualities and imbibe in yourself whatever is possible. So thank you very much for listening to me. Bye. Tomorrow I will come with another topic related to some other area which we are dealing with. Thank you. Very nice of you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye.